Yo, welcome back everybody. This is Henry with Guns, Games, and Gadgets channel. Today, I finally got my package. It should have been here last week, but the USPS sucks a lot. So, let's get to it. Let's see what's inside. Boom. That is small. I thought this was bigger. Anyway, this is a survival first aid kit. And I thought this was going to be a little bigger because it said it came with 288 pieces. So, let's get this open up, see what's inside. Alright guys, well, this is what's in it. Seems like it's 288 items. I honestly don't feel like opening up everything, but I will put a picture above the screen of the product and how much it costs and whatnot and where to get it, because you can't put in the websites and stuff no more due to these stupid freaking rules YouTube be making. So you know what, just because I've been waiting, I'm gonna take some stuff out so you guys can check it out. Okay guys, I kind of lied. It's a crap ton of stuff in there, and I don't want to disorganize everything. Basically, it comes with a bunch of band-aids, some Q-tips that you can see. It comes with multi-tool, flashlight, a knife, compass, some tape, tweezers, fishing rod, some fishing stuff, survival whistle, flint starter, the fire starter thing, and alcohol pads, and I think comes with a couple of gauze pads and stuff like that. Basically, it's a survival kit. So, like I said, I'll put the picture up again, so you guys can see how much it costs and where to get it. So, yeah. So I'm impressed. Comes with a lot of stuff, and if shit ever hits the fan, I'll have me. And I got two first aid kits. Now I need to get me a trauma kit, which comes with a little bit of trauma stuff inside of here, but not too much. So, that about sums it up, guys. You guys like the video? Please give me a thumbs up if you got any good information. If you also want to comment, leave them below. Like I said, this is a good deal. I think this runs about $22, give or take. So, guys, go get one if you want one. It comes with a lot of stuff, and yeah, you get one, or you can get a trauma kit. It's a trauma kit as well, I think. I know it's sold out, but guys, like I said, this is a good deal. So hop onto it. So, I will be uploading my range day video if I don't feel too embarrassed about it, but I will upload it. But all in all, this is it right here. So I hope you guys stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, and as always, have a nice day.